Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best iPhone bike mounts you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many iPhone bike mounts and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each iPhone bike mounts so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an iPhone bike mount. First, check the mount's compatibility with your specific iPhone model and case size to ensure a secure fit. Next, look at the mounting mechanism, whether it's a handlebar clamp, stem mount, or silicone strap, and make sure it's stable on different terrains. Durability is also important. Choose materials like aluminum or high-quality plastic that can handle vibration and weather. Consider ease of installation and quick release features for convenience when removing your phone. Additionally, verify that the mount allows full access to your screen, camera, and charging port. Weather resistance and anti-slip grips help protect your phone during rides in rain or rough conditions. Lastly, read reviews to confirm user satisfaction and long-term reliability. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.